wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today I am here to do another hair review for you guys. I am so excited to do this review for you, to tell you all about this bomb curly hair. Okay, so I was contacted by a company known as Beauty Forever. They do have a store on Amazon.com. I will leave all of the information down below, but really great company, really well known. Like, you guys will not regret checking out this company. They have really great prices, really great options. So the hair that I have in my head right now is the Malaysian curly hair. Now I do have 3 bundles in my head. I have a 14-inch closure with a 16, 18, and 20-inch bundle. It kind of simulates a jerry curl type of curl, but it is a really beautiful curl, you guys. It is so lightweight. Like, I am loving these curls. So I did receive a 14-inch closure with a 16, 18, and 20-inch bundle. And yes, I did use all of the hair in my head. I constructed it on a wig, and this is what I got. So I did not have to do anything to this hair, you guys. I didn't cut on it. I didn't pluck the part. I didn't do anything like that. I literally constructed the wig, put it on my head. I did spray it with a little bit of water. It's just water, and I sprayed it just to kind of lay the hair down, because it kind of was like this, so I wanted it a little bit more flat. So I sprayed it with the water, and I sprayed the rest of the hair with the water, ran my fingers through it just to kind of, you know, fluff it up a little bit, and that's it. No product whatsoever. The curl that you see is the curl that you get. So y'all, this hair is so soft, like super soft. It smells good. Like, it smells like hair, if you know what hair smells like. It doesn't have an odor, corn chip smell, or anything like that. It is some really good hair. It is so lightweight. Like, I'm loving the fact that it does not feel like I have a lion mane on my shoulders. It's super lightweight. Like, it's barely even on my shoulders. That's kind of how it feels. And I am loving how the layered lengths fall. Really pretty, as if I cut layers into it. So loving that. I think this hair would look beautiful if you were to bleach it or add some highlights to it, but this is the natural color that it does come in, and I probably will leave it this color. But really pretty, you guys. Like, it's not too big, it's not too thin. It's like the perfect thickness. So I'm really loving this hair, y'all. If y'all are interested in this hair, I will leave all of the information down below. But yes, I did put foundation in my part just to kind of make it a little bit more visible, but that is it. So you don't have to do much to this hair at all. I haven't been getting a lot of shedding, but I have been getting a few strands here and there. I did kind of cut the tracks in a few places while I was constructing the wig, so that may play a part in it, but nothing excessive, you guys. Like, seriously, nothing excessive. So this is the hair pulled all the way to the front. So really good amount of hair. Like, it's not ridiculously thick, it's not too thin either. So y'all can see these curls. Like, I just want to let y'all see the curls. Like, the curls are beautiful, and this is no product. Like, no product. I can't believe this is no product. Like, it's no frizz, nothing without product. Like, I'm impressed. I'm so impressed with this company. So y'all, if y'all are looking for some curly hair, some summer hair, some protective style hair, this is the hair. I'm loving it. Like, I'm really liking this hair, y'all. Like, I'm not even lying to you. I'm liking this hair. And I am a fan of big hair and big curly hair. So this is right up my alley. So I'm going to show you guys the back. and I am 5'7.5", so it does come like right above my boobs a little bit, like right above. So that will kind of give you an idea of what to expect. Now, when I bought this hair, it was a little bit more expensive than it is now, so you can get it for even cheaper. It's around $130 for 3 bundles and a closure. Like, you cannot beat that. So if you guys are looking for some cheap, good quality hair, make sure you click the link down below. I will link everything down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell for those notifications. Check out some of my other videos, y'all. I do a range of many different things: makeup tutorials, do-it-yourself videos, you name it, crochet videos. That is my thing, girl. Okay, so I will be coming with so much more with my channel. I am expanding. I am doing so much with it, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.